Welcome again students, and in this video we will discuss the worksheet number 3 for class 9th, and in this video we will discuss about suspension. In last video we already discussed about solutions, but in this video we will discuss about suspension. So let's start. Jigyasa Didi, I have prepared a solution by mixing soil in the water kept in the jar. The particle of soil mixed in the water, but after some time they settle down. Why? आपने भी कई बार ऐसा जो है देखा है कि हम जो है अगर वाटर के अंदर क्या डालते हैं, सॉइल डालते हैं, then after some time it get settle down. So settle down हो जाती है, but why? ज्ञान, the mixture which you have prepared is not a solution. Actually जो ये mixture बनता है, this mixture is not a solution. Because it is not the stable. So ये stable नहीं है. कुछ टाइम बाद जो soil है वो नीचे settle down हो जाती है. It means it is a suspension, not the solution. And in this mixture, the solute. So what is solute? Solute is soil particle are not dissolved in solvent. And what is solvent? Solvent is water, but they remain suspended in the mixture. These particles can easily be seen with the naked eyes. Okay, you can easily see the soil, and so it's a heterogeneous mixture. So ये कैसा mixture है? It is a heterogeneous mixture. दीदी, can the solute be easily separated from solvent? तो क्या हम solute और solvent को अलग कर सकते हैं? Yes, can. The solute can easily be separated from solvent by using a filter, paper or fine cloth through the filtration process. So by a simple filter paper and fine cloth we can separate the solute and solvent, or you can say that we can easily separate the soil particles from the water. Now there are some properties of suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. You all know that. It is unstable, means if you leave the mixture for some time, then the soil that gets settled down at the bottom, and it means that it is unstable. The solute particles settle down when it is left undisturbed in nature. Its particle size is big enough to see with the naked eyes. You can easily see the particles with the naked eyes like soil. The suspended particles scattered a beam of light passing through it and make their path visible. That is Tyndall effect until they settle down in the mixture. So the size of the suspension particles that is above 1000 nanometer. But these particles are too much big in size that they can easily scatter a beam of light and they show Tyndall effect. Okay, but जो particles बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हो जाते हैं 1000 नैनोमीटर से बहुत ज़्यादा, वो जो है Tyndall effect show नहीं करते. Okay, so particular एक range होती है जिसमें Tyndall effect show होता है. Next, these can be separated by filtration process, so you can easily filter. Next, answer the following question. First question is the path of the light visible in a suspension? Give reason. So path of the light is visible in the suspension. They show Tyndall effect. The range is 1000 about 1000 nanometer. So जो particles जो हैं 1000 nanometer के आसपास lie करते हैं, they can scatter the beam of a light. बट अगर हम कहें कि जो वाटर है उसके अंदर बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टोन हैं, सो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट इज ऑल्सो सस्पेंशन, बट Tyndall effect will not be there. Next question 2, what is the difference between suspension and solution? So now you can easily give the answer of this question. Suspension, that is particle size is above 1000 nanometer, and solution below 1 nanometer. Solution is homogeneous, suspension is heterogeneous mixture. Solution they cannot show Tyndall effect. Suspension they can show Tyndall effect. And in case of suspension, the particles that can be separated by filtration process, but in case of solution you cannot separate the particles by the simple filtration process. And you can also give the example here. And soil plus water is suspension, water plus sugar is a solution. Now question 3, which among the following is our suspension? So flour and water also suspension, and salt and water is solution, it is not suspension. Sand and water, that is suspension. Okay, and here turmeric and water, this is a type of solution. write any 3 properties of suspension. So these are in this table all the properties are given for the suspensions. You can easily write from here. I hope आपको worksheet clear है, and if there is any query you can comment, and आप कमेंट करके भी बता सकते हो कि worksheet जो है वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी. You can also download the worksheet from the description box, and thanks for watching.